What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. And this video we're gonna do the horizontal and vertical alignment. However, this is gonna be the second video, so we're gonna look how we can actually place a block elements in the center of the page. So let's go over here by creating a div, right? And we're just gonna again create this div, and what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add some border around it so actually it is visible. So I'm gonna say border, and I'm gonna say 2 pixels solid black, right? Solid black over here. And it's probably better if we place something in it or make a height or something like that, just so we can see what's happening. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place some text. I'm just gonna write in here, hey, put me in center, like this, right? So now you can see that I have a div, but as a block element, you can see that it's right away spanning across. So there's two things that we need to actually pay attention. First, if we go over here and let's say for some reason we would set the width of this div, right? If we would set width actually for this div, and we would say that it's like, I don't know, 200 pixels, right? So now you can see right away how it actually wouldn't be in center because it's not spanning anymore. Well, coincidentally, that's what we actually need to do in order to place the div in the center. And always with the block elements, they need to have some type of width actually to be placed in the center. Otherwise, if I'm just deleting this, you can see that it's spanning all across, and you can do whatever you want. You're not going to place it exactly in the center because it's already spanning all the way across. So over here, again, I would write the width, and I can pick whatever width I want. I can write those 200 pixels, or I can say 30%. And right now, the way I would set this div in the center, I would actually use the margin, and I would have to write margin auto, because what's happening right now, that it's basically margin from the left is auto and margin from the right is auto, and that way we can actually place this div in the center. Now it also works the same way with the images. Okay, so let's say that I'm just gonna close this for now, and what I'm gonna do over here, I'm just gonna create a image over here, and again I'm just gonna do the coffee beans. I don't want to offend the lady from the Walmart with the beautiful pants, and I'm just gonna say coffee, and I'm gonna close it out over here. But you can see right now what's happening is that my div is in the center, however my picture is not, right? And in the last video we looked at how we can do it by text align property. However, what I want to do in this video, I want to show you how we can actually make the image display as a block. And remember when we were saying that by default it was displayed in line, right? And the block was displayed, div was displayed as block, and image was displayed by default in line. However, we can change that over here. We can say display, and we want the block, and we want to do the same thing. However, over here we don't need to set the width because there's automatically going to be some type of width, right, for the element. So what we do over here, we just write margin, and we say auto. And if we're gonna make the screen bigger, you can see that both of them are in center. And this is how we can actually place the block elements in the center of a page. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.